This standard neurophysiological recording system can be used to perform a closed-loop stimulation, which is useful for studying causal interactions in the brain. This protocol allows neuroscientists with only limited expertise in computer science to rapidly implement a variety of closed-loop experiments with little cost.
Closed-loop experiments are becoming increasingly important for basic science and preclinical research. For instance, multiple epilepsy studies have shown that neuronal stimulation triggered on seizure onset is an effective approach to reduce the severity of seizures.
To facilitate the adoption of closed-loop experiments in neuroscience research, this protocol provides Matlab code to convert an open-loop electrophysiological recording system into a closed-loop system.
This implementation of closed-loop stimulation is demonstrated in an awake rat.
To install the Cheetah 6.4 data acquisition system, open the web page for the software, which includes libraries to interact with the Cheetah acquisition system, and install Spike Sort 3D. Install the Netcom development package. Log into a Matlab account to select the correct license, version, and operating system. Then download the library for online event triggering as indicated and extract the files to the Documents Matlab folder. For data acquisition, open the Cheetah software and record spiking data to populate the template.